This is a Taylor Swift song about some ramen. When you're 17,
You need a fan.
you learn how to cook. So when you're a man, 17. Get on the phone, you tell her she looks like she's going on about
Sing
something
louder.
that you said she never. I forgot. I am Taylor Swift.
The sexier version.
Yes.
The not so innocent version.
The one that doesn't know what she's doing. So I never forgive Kanye West for interrupting me.
Oh, that.
I don't care what black people think.
Do you miss Taylor Swift? I mean, Taylor Lautner.
Taylor Lautner was the best thing that happened to me, but I had to let him go.
Why? No.
I heard he's gay.
Oh no!
Yes.
Was he?
I don't know. But, you know, here drops on my guitar. It's not even my guitar.
I wish Alex was here.
I know.
If he knows how to do
When you're 17.
I only know 17 songs and it doesn't work.
What?
You go, 17.
I'm Taylor Swift.
But wait, that's not 15.
Yeah, that's the whole point.
Oh.
I'm not 15, I'm 17.
Oh, that's right.
Exactly. Now you want me? I'll make a song for 18-year-olds.
Oh, it's okay. Oh.
What do 18-year-olds do?
Party!
No, no, we don't. No, y'all don't.
Yes, we do. We're partying right now. I know.
Shut up.
I'm
Look
here.
here. Look
I'm
here.
here to that party. No, you look here. No, you look here. Shut up.
Shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up, Kanye West.
Shut the fuck hold up.
He was actually shaking.